What's up, everybody? Thank you so much for joining me. Thank you for all my new people that press play on this video. I just want to tell you thank you, and occasionally I'm going to do this on my channel as a thank you for my subscribers and for my new subscribers and my old subscribers or whatever. But this is 3 features that most people don't utilize on their camera bag. Let's get into it. 3 features you ain't taking advantage of on your camera bag. Listen up, I'm about to tell you what I'm getting at. You got a lot of space and paid a lot of money, but ain't utilizing all the features on it, buddy. Always in, but you need to be on the outside. Got a feature you can use up in a mudslide, but let's talk about the rain though. This thing at the bottom is not where anything goes. Pull the Velcro back. Okay. Pull out the inside and transform into a rain pack. Wow. Look at that. Ain't that something? You had to bag about it, yeah, and you ain't know nothing yet. Let's talk about security now. They put latches on the side, they wasn't playing around. Wow. You thought these was just for decoration. These is used for monopod levitation. Turn the bag around, see what we got in the front. This clip right here will give you just what you want. What do you mean? Take your tripod and put it right there. Pull out this little baggy thing right here. Put your tripod leg in this little sack. Now you got all your gear right on your backpack. Gone. Oh, wow. Hope this helps. That's pretty helpful. Thank you. Subscribe to the channel. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that little short quick video, musical thingy thing, whatever you want to call it, that I just made. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and stay tuned, because today I'm going to go live for the first time and have a Q&A with you guys. I'm really excited about that. Hopefully everything works and everything goes well, and I'll talk to you guys later. Subscribe. It's your boy A-Dubb. And one thing I haven't done for a while, the gun show. Oh, you guys forgot about the, ooh, you guys forgot all about the gun show. The gun show's back in full effect. Didn't go anywhere. Peace. I'm out.